Today we learn about if function. We'll consider that we are a company who just bought 6 products, and the accounting team will split these products into categories. If the price is greater than 500, the product will enter in depreciation process. If the price is less than 500, then the product will be a simple inventory item. So, for this, we're gonna use if function. In column D, we'll write accounting, and then we'll start to write the function. If function contains 3 arguments. The first argument is the criteria that we are looking for split the products between our categories, in our case. So, the logical test will be if price is greater than 500, we want to have in column D2 the word depreciation. If not, we want to have the words inventory list. We close the brackets and hit enter. As you can see, if we double click on the bottom right of the cell, the formula will copy near other products. So, the if function helps us to simply categorize our products based on the price. So, if their price is greater than 500, in the column D we'll have the word depreciation, and if the product price is less than 500, we will have inventory list. So, to summarize, we have 3 arguments. The first one is the logical test that we want to split into categories. Then the second argument basically represents the true value of our criteria, and the third arguments represent the false version of our criteria.